Good morning from day 6 in Japan. Today was a mix of quiet moments and full on Tokyo experiences. We started the day at Gotokuji Temple, also known as Temple of Lucky Cats. You will see hundreds of these white cat dolls called Maneki Neko placed all around. They are believed to bring good luck and prosperity, and seeing so many of them together just feels surreal. The pagoda was looking so stunning with all those beautiful autumn colors around it. It's one of those places where the calmness just hits you the second you step inside. You totally forget you are in the middle of massive city. From there, we made our way to Team Lab Planet's Tokyo. And this place is a complete different world. It's not just something you see, you actually walk through the art. Stepping into the orchid room was a dreamy affair. There are thousands of them hanging from the ceiling, and they actually move up and down as you walk through, as if they are reacting to you. It's not the kind of place where you just look at things, you actually walk through them. The immersive experience makes you feel that you are inside the art and not just looking at it. There's also this really funny part where you draw your own art and then you see it come alive on the walls, moving around like it's part of the whole space. It's simple, but seeing something you created become part of the experience just hits differently. Every room had something new to offer. I will leave some of it for you to discover when you visit. Right outside Team Lab Planets, even the station had its own vibe. Trains passing by with those tall skyscraper in the background. Very clean, very Tokyo. We just stood there for a bit, watching the trains come and go, and then hopped on the same line straight to Shibuya Sky. You have probably seen this escalator all over your feed, but stepping onto it hits different in person. It's like entering a fairy world where the entire Tokyo skyline is just sitting right there in front of you as you glide down. Looking down from the 45th floor, the Shibuya crossing looks like a total live circuit board. Between the crowds scrambling below and the trains gliding by, the whole scene feels like something straight out of a movie. The green Yamanote train looks so aesthetic, cutting right through the skyscrapers. And that's how we've wrapped our day 6. Stay tuned for full Japan series.